Hey everybody, and welcome to Technology and Toys. And today's video, hopefully you can tell from the title of this video, is going to be a bit more opinionated and it's not really much of an unboxing. But today's video is going to be my thoughts and opinions on wireless charging or inductive charging, whichever you prefer to call it. About 3 weeks ago now, I made a video unboxing these two products, the WMZ Wireless Intelligent Charger Hub and a charging receiver also from WMZ. I'll have a link to the video in the description as well as a card somewhere around here. But basically what this product is it's a wireless charger as well as a wired charger that doubles as a USB hub. I've been using wireless charging almost constantly for the past 3 weeks, and because I've been using it all day, every day for the past 21 or so days, I've developed some opinions on it, and I'm going to talk about them here today because I honestly really like wireless charging. It's quick, it's simple, it's intuitive, it's easy, although sometimes it might be a bit slower than direct wired charging. I think the fact that it's so simple and natural kind of makes up for it. That's just my personal opinion on it. And for those of you that are uninformed or maybe misinformed about wireless charging, what it is you have a charger like this, and your phone either supports it natively, which most phones nowadays do, or there are these little receivers that you can buy for as cheap as $2, depending on where you look, and you plug them into your phone or your tablet or keyboard, whatever you want to wirelessly charge. They have micro USB ones as well as Lightning and USB Type-C chargers. And basically all you gotta do is, with this plugged into your device or your device that supports it natively, you just place it down on the charger and it starts charging. Simple as that. I own an iPhone 6, which does not natively support wireless charging, and for about 19 of the past 21 days I've been using the receiver under my OtterBox Defender case, and it worked. It worked exactly as it was supposed to. I would take my phone, I would put it down on the charger, and it would start charging my phone. Now this isn't restricted to just phones, as I said before. It can be tablets or keyboards, wireless headphones if you want. For example, I have my AirPods right here, and I set them down on the charger. As you can see on my iPad right here, they are charging, and when I take it off, they stop charging. It's really simple. And for the last 2 days, I've had a Mophie Juice Pack wireless. It comes with its own little wireless charger, and I have one for the Plus model iPhones because I done goofed and got the wrong one. But the right one came in the mail. It's on my iPhone right now that I'm using to record this. Everything's fine. But basically what the case does is you put it down on the charger, and it begins wirelessly charging the case as well as the iPhone in the case. And it doesn't have to just be on the Mophie wireless charger. I can put it down on this one, and as you can see, it starts wirelessly charging. Let me flip it over to show you, and the lights are on. Now, as I said before, I love wireless charging. It's so easy, it's so simple. It really has changed how I've charged my phone, because normally I'd get down to about 5% and I'd have that panic where you have no battery remaining and you try and find your charger as fast as you can. I don't have that issue anymore because I have the battery of the Mophie to back up my phone. It adds an extra 50% to my battery, and when the Mophie dies and my phone's about to die, I just simply drop it on one of my chargers here and it charges both the phone and the battery. I don't have to plug it in. It's really as simple as drop and go. You take your phone, you drop it, starts charging, and you go about your day. Also, I figured I'd point out that the Mophie charger and the Mophie case are magnetic, so it automatically aligns it so it charges for you, which I think is really helpful, especially for the drop and go situations. But there you guys have it. Those are my thoughts and opinions on wireless charging. It really has changed how I charge my phone, and if I can get the right items, it will probably change how I charge my AirPods, because I think I might tear this one open and finagle it to get it to charge my AirPods wirelessly. But that's how much it's changed how I charge my devices, that I'm thinking of making it so it charges my AirPods wirelessly without having to wait till March for Apple to release the wireless charging case for the AirPods. As usual, I will have the links in the description to purchase these products, be it the WMZ wireless charger or the Mophie juice pack, or even this little guy if you have an older device that doesn't support it, or maybe you have an iPhone like me and doesn't support it. If you like this type of video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, as well as turning on notifications for the channel so that way you get notified whenever I upload another video. And until the next video, guys, goodbye.